Good evening, everyone. My name is Ali Yukendi Zakaria. I'm a video editor. Thank you so much for joining my first mobile phone tutorial. Yesterday, I told you we are going to be using InShot, and by now, I believe all of us must have downloaded InShot app on our phone. So, without further delay, let's launch the app. So, this is the application interface. And if you could remember yesterday, I was saying that we have the free version and the paid version. So we have video, picture, and collage. But our focus will be on video. And I'm going to be using a friend video that I shot with a phone yesterday. Let's open the video up. After that, you can see I'm actually at my recent file. This is the video. So you click on it and click this mark button here. This is the interface where we are going to do a lot of magic. This is where we will trim the video. Okay. Action.
Hello guys,
Take that again. You can see that we are going to remove that part where I'm giving an instruction, so we are going to remove it. While we were doing the recording yesterday, there was a heavy noise, generator noise, but I don't mind because I'm not going to use the audio. Take that again. Okay, let's do 3 minutes. Okay, so that place is a perfect way to. So the next thing is just to click on zoom selection. Another thing I'm going to be removing from this clip is where she's rubbing her face. I don't like that place, and I'm going to click on cuts. So you can see the thing has splitted into two, but let me okay, you can see where she's actually covering her face. So let me oh, try to no, you have to adjust, you have to make it accurate. It's a mobile phone editing, so you have to be very careful. Okay, so this place. So I think I've gotten the first part. Okay, so the next thing is drag this one too. We don't need that part. Okay, that is very nice. That is very and thank you so much for joining this class. I don't take you for granted. In case you have any question, suggestion, anything that you want to add to this video, please feel free to come to my DM.